Once upon a time, there was a kitchen magical gnome that awoke and turned into a fairy. The fairy went off to save kitchens around the world. Yippee!
3, action!
Welcome back to Cooking with Caddy. Today I'm making my favorite avocado dip. Thanks to my avocado friend, this is everything you'll need.
Cut!
What's wrong?
The kitchen. It's outdated and boring.
So? What are we going to do? We have to air in 1 hour.
I have no friends at Kitchen Magic that can help us.
Kitchen Magic is a fun and effortless approach to your kitchen remodel. They specialize in kitchen refurbishment. They make cabinet doors, countertops, and backsplashes. They can even install sinks. Our kitchen fairy took us to visit the Kitchen Magic gnomes to learn more about them. Gnomes represent Kitchen Magic's core value of creativity and hard work. Their gnomes are hard at work every day.
My name is Dave Amato, and I am Director of Operations here at Kitchen Magic. Once an order is placed, my team makes it happen, creates the magic to the very end, which is the customer happy.
Everything from loading programs to we load materials, we cut all the cabinets, we cut all the doors. We can cut them out on the CNC machine.
You get to use your hands, you get to learn the skill that you can use down the road as far as if you want to make your own kitchen cabinets or anything, you can do that. That's what's good about it.
There is some magic behind watching things being made and making people happy with the product that you provide.
Thanks to our kitchen fairy and kitchen magic, our kitchen is all fixed. We could finally film our cooking show.
Today I'm cooking with Caddy. I'll be making my favorite avocado dip. Thanks to my avocado friend, this is everything you'll be eating. Let's go.
So what makes kitchen magic so magical?
Anyone can grow into a successful person here at Kitchen Magic.
The people, us.
The people I work with. They're a bunch of good guys back there. We have fun, we joke around, you know.
You always can take pride in everything you do because it's hands-on.
It's our culture, it's how everybody interacts, it's getting to see customers that are happy.
And this is why Kitchen Magic is so magical.